forests, watersheds, forestry, and more. Students who enjoy the outdoors, the environment, will feel at home here.
What do I like about the class? Well, Sustainable Habitats is a really hands-on class, and that's something I really like because I'm one of those people who cannot sit still in a classroom for too long.
Students explore a wide variety of topics through group activities and labs located in our on-campus woodlot.
I am much happier that I picked it instead of taking just a normal elective, and I think it's a really cool opportunity for a lot of different kids to learn about things that they don't typically get to learn about in a typical school setting.
Some projects include creating streams and practicing forestry skills. Learn the basics needed to sustain your future.